Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 38. Today we are going to discuss about the 4C framework. This framework has helped me for the past few years to take sales decisions, leadership decisions, or any other strategic decisions. What does this 4C means? The first C is choose. The second C is commit. The third C is close. And the fourth C is compound. Let me explain this. I started going to global conferences from 2023. So initially I was randomly going to conferences and I don't know how it's going to help me. Then I created this framework. I thought, let me choose which are the conferences I have to go. For example, I chose Vivatech Paris and Jitex Dubai. And I committed to it. I said to myself that let me go to this conference at least for the next 5 years. And I've already gone for 3 years. And because I've committed, I book my tickets much early, get a cheaper flight tickets, and plan my meetings accordingly and close. Because you are committed to that, work hard on that, plan for that and close that. Whatever happens, go to that and close that loop. Because of following these 3 C's, choose, commit and close, the fourth C is happening, which is compound. I am started meeting same people and again, and it has created some friendship and it started giving me a lot of business results now. So this 3C, when you do properly, the fourth C happens automatically. Now I started applying this 3C in many of my other decisions. Even if I want to win certain set of clients, I choose which are the top 10 clients I want to work with. And I commit, put a lot of efforts, do follow up with them, be in touch with them, be in their mind. And automatically closure is happening, right? And because of this framework, a lot of compounding is happening. Because you are mastering this particular framework, it is giving you more results. So to make life simple, my friends, we need clarity. Only when you have clarity, you can put a lot of efforts. And this framework, this 3C framework gives you clarity and it brings you the fourth C. So if you like this framework, apply in your life and enjoy the life and make the best use of it. Thank you and see you soon next week.